Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of year again, the add-on sale for FabFitFun Spring 2022 just dropped. This video is a couple of days late just because I was busy doing a bunch of other things, but I'm so happy to finally get this up and share with you guys what I have in my add-ons cart. So if you want to check out everything I have my eye on that's currently in my cart for FabFitFun, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos and please consider subscribing as well. Alright, so as you guys know, I absolutely love FabFitFun. This is the only subscription service I'm currently a member of. This video is in no way sponsored. None of these items were gifted to me. I purchased all of these items, or I should say, will purchase all of these items on my own. So I just truly love this subscription service. I've been a member for years now. So I hope I can give you a little bit of tips and tricks in terms of shopping the sale, and a little bit of insight as to whether I like some of these products, because a lot of their products do recycle season to season. So if you're new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you get a box chock full of full-size products, really seasonally appropriate. And then you also have the opportunity to shop different sales throughout the year, including the add-on sale that I'm about to talk about now, where all of these items ship with your subscription seasonal box at no extra shipping charge, at least in the continental US. So it's a great way to add a couple of other fun things into your cart at this time, and the discounts are pretty good for a lot of brands that you really know and love. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check out the service for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link down below. It will save you $10. Okay, so as per usual, I'm just going to jump in and tell you guys what's currently in my cart for add-ons this season. I was pretty pleased, I would say. I think they have a pretty wide selection this season, so I was really happy about it. Most importantly though, the website worked amazingly well. Oftentimes when the add-ons first drop, I think there's just a whole rush of people on the website that it often crashes or is slow to load. But this time I had absolutely no problems, so I was super thankful for that. So these are the items that are currently in my cart, and just as a reminder, you have until the end of the add-on sale to modify what you want in there, and then you don't actually check out. Everything that's in your cart when the sale closes automatically is purchased and is billed to you and then shipped to you. So just a reminder that if you have a lot of extra stuff in your cart that you may not actually want, you need to remove them before the sale actually closes. I will list, of course, all the sales dates down below. If you are an annual member like I am, of course, it's open right now for you to shop. If you are a seasonal member, I will list down the sales dates below. And please also stay tuned. I will be putting together a Customize With Me video, as I always do every season, coming up next. So definitely stay tuned if you want to check out how I actually customize my box itself. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this really great product that I have my eye on. I haven't decided if I'm actually going to purchase it because I do have some of these items already, but I thought this is a really good pack-up from Elemis. This is called the Splash of Youth Pro Collagen Anti-Aging Travel Trio, so I think it's probably smaller sizes, which I'm not certain I really need, but I do like this Elemis Marine Cream. I think that's one of their most iconic products. I've tried that before, which I like. It has a cleansing balm, and I'm not so into cleansing balms. As I've talked about before, I really love my Purity Made Simple cleanser from Philosophy. Used it for so many years. That's kind of my go-to. So I really haven't tried a lot of balms, but I may give this one a try. I think it's fun to try kind of a few other products in the line. So I thought this was a good selection from the add-ons. And then the next product that I almost for sure am going to buy in kind of the beauty category is this great bundle from Kerr. So this particular bundle includes 3 nail colors, a top coat, and a glass vial. So if you watched my FabFitFun I guess, add-on sale from winter last season. I did purchase a set of nail polishes from the same line. It was more seasonally appropriate colors, so it was the kind of a really dark maroon color, which I love, a silver glitter, in addition to kind of a neutral shade. So I actually love the formulation of this line. I hadn't tried it before. I picked it up last season, but it wears really well. It applies very smoothly. I love the application brush. So I really, really love these colors. I generally love wearing neutrals. You wouldn't guess it based on my color today. This beautiful green, or dark green color I just love. But in general, I like neutrals. So I thought this would be perfect, especially for spring and summertime. So this is kind of a no-brainer for me. I totally love this line so far. Love these shades, and I always really like getting new top coats because it really helps extend the wear of the manicure. So this is a great set if you have your eye out for some new nail colors. Okay, so the next item that I have my eye on is this 30-pack set of hair ties, and the brand is called hair ties or hair ties. So this is this telephone cord type of hair tie that I'm sure you've seen everywhere. It's kind of, in my opinion, a knockoff of Invisibobbles, which I absolutely love, but for some reason in this season's add-on selection I didn't see any Invisibobbles. But this is maybe the next best thing. They have several different sets that you can pick, and I really like the classic or neutral tones like this. And I actually have purchased this exact set before, so I'm almost running out. Not that they all broke. I mean, some of them break, so then I threw them out. But a lot of them, of course, like all hair ties, just kind of disappear into the abyss somewhere, especially with my little girls. I have no idea where all of our hair ties go, but they just get eaten up somewhere. So we're getting low on our hair ties, and my kids also love using these. So I think I am probably going to pick up a set of these. This is definitely less expensive than Invisibobbles. So I don't think the quality is as good, honestly, but I think it's kind of the next best thing, and I think the value is pretty decent for that. All right, so the next item that I have in my cart actually are two similar sets, and I need your help in terms of what to pick. So these are these no-show types of socks. So like a lot of you, I'm sure, I've really gotten more into sneakers, just kind of casual vibe footwear, and I really love the no-show socks like this. I think that's a good look. So I want to refresh a little bit, and the first set here that I had my eye on was from Happy Socks, and it's a 3-pack sock liner, as you can see. But I love these colors. I think I love neutrals for my outfits and shoes, but if there's something a little hidden like this, like either a small leather good in your purse or a pair of socks in your sneakers that people don't really see except you, I just love that pop of color. So I have my eye on this because I love the pop of color here, and it's perfect for spring. So I may give this a try. I thought it was a pretty good set to check out. And then the other set is this one here from Lucky Brand, and this is a 2-pack though, and it's a lounge no-show sock set. So this one, of course, is more neutral tones, more classic vibe. Why I kind of like this one maybe better than the last set is that it looks like on the vamp of the foot, kind of where the top of the sock hits, is more coverage than the Happy Sock version. So I kind of like this style more for sneakers because it covers the top of the foot, unlike a lot of the other sock liners. So I probably am gravitating a little more toward this Lucky Brand set, but let me know what you guys think. I haven't tried out Happy Socks before, so if you like them, let me know. But I'm probably going to pick up one of these 2 sets of socks just to kind of refresh my sock wardrobe for the next season. All right, so the next couple of items, similarly, I was thinking of picking between. I may end up getting both. But the first one here is a Kate Spade lunch tote. So I do pack my lunch for work. I don't know how many people do that these days. I used to eat out at the cafeteria in the hospital or clinic every day before the pandemic hit. And of course it's fun. I mean, the food is better than if I pack it, obviously, and it's a nice warm meal. It's kind of a fun social time too if you have a little bit of downtime. But when the pandemic hit, of course, nobody's socializing and eating out that much, and really I had to start packing my lunch just really for pure efficiency. You know, I couldn't just wait in line to buy food anymore. I just didn't have the time. And then once I started packing it, you know, I just realized it just is such a huge time saver that I've just never gone back. So I do pack my lunch. I don't pack anything super fancy. I usually just pack kind of a pre-made salad, usually most days, and a couple of snacks. So I do carry a lunch bag, so I like to refresh them every now and again. I really love the aesthetic of this Kate Spade one. I just love the stripe pattern with a little bit of color. I think it's just beautiful. So yeah, I have my eye on this one. I think it looks really, really cute, especially for the season. And then the second one I have my eye on is this really cute floral tropical print tote. This is from my Tagalongs, and this line has been featured many times in FabFitFun, and I have several other items which I actually enjoy. I don't think the quality is spectacular, honestly, but you know, the price point's pretty spectacular, right? So I don't mind. So this one I just love because I think it's just super fun. It looks like it's going to be really easy to carry, lightweight. But really what kind of sold me on this one is that it has supposedly a section that can hold your water bottle inside of the bag. So I do carry a water bottle to work every single day, and one of the goals for 2022 for me is to drink more water. So I like that. It's nice that you can just stay all together in the bag and stay upright. So I probably am going to check this one out. I definitely think it's a really cute pattern, and it's going to be pretty functional for me. Alright, so the next thing from the same line, my Tagalongs, that I have my eye on, I know I shouldn't get this, but I am a sucker for little pouches in my bags. I just love them. So this is a cute set from my Tagalongs. Really what got me though is this color. It's this beautiful lilac color. I think it's a neoprene type of fabrication just looking at it. And I do love neoprene accessories and bags. So yeah, just an earbud case, and it can hold some cords, so you have two little pouches that you get. Really, I just really love the color, so I don't know. I may consider getting this. I probably shouldn't, but I just am really drawn to it. And as I've said before, in a lot of my bags, I don't choose to use purse organizers. I've tried many out before. I definitely get why people like them, but for me at least, I don't like that the purse organizers tend to give the bag too much structure. I just like a little bit more of a slouchier look in general for most bags. So I tend to just, instead of use purse organizers, use a bunch of pouches like this to store all my items so they're easier to find. So I may give this one a try. We'll see. Nonetheless, it's super cute, and I really love the color, of course. Okay, I think I just have a handful of more things. This one here, I'm almost for sure I'm going to pick up. This is definitely not an essential, but I think it's so cute, and I have the perfect place for it. So this is from XO Sienna. Haven't tried anything from this line before, but it's called the Radiate Positivity Desk Tray. So it's just looks like an acrylic type of desk tray. It has a really cute rainbow pattern on the edging, and then it has three little sections where you can put stuff in. And the middle one says Radiate Positivity. So who doesn't need this type of message in the times we're in these days? So I just love these kind of feel-good sayings and messages when I'm working at my desk, just to kind of pick me up a little bit. So I'm going to put it in a new desk setup that I'm currently trying to organize. At our work right now, our main offices are being renovated, so I'm essentially homeless for a little bit. We had the option of switching into some smaller, just temporary offices in the meantime while the newer ones are being renovated, but the other option is you could work from home, and they would provide us with some office supplies and equipment. So that includes a new modular desk, which I'm happy about, and I don't know, some shelves and things like that, and a chair. So these are about to be delivered to me, so I'm going to start decking it out and kind of setting it up. I'm going to put this tray on that desk just to catch little odds and ends. I use a lot of paper clips and binder clips to clip a lot of my work together. So that's really what I'm going to use it for. I think it's just a super fun, happy little addition there. So yeah, I was excited to see that offered. And then I have one final piece here, and this is another one that I haven't decided on if I'm for sure going to get it or not, but I think it's just gorgeous. If I remember correctly, I believe this is made in Kenya, and it's just a beautiful serving tray that you can see here. It has very clean lines, just made out of wood, and I'm hoping to put this in my living room and maybe put some candles on it because I love candles. I think it's just a nice little decor piece. I think you can serve on it, which maybe sometimes I will, but I think it's more of a decor piece is what I'm thinking of using this for. So I like these kind of unique pieces. I think it's great that it gets shipped to your house. You don't have to lug it home from the store. So I may give this one a try. I think it's just really a gorgeous, clean looking tray. Okay, so I think that is it. At least for now, that's what I have in my add-ons cart. Of course, over the next couple days, I'm going to kind of weed through things a little. I probably will add on a couple extra things. And as I've said before, as you guys probably know, if you keep checking the website until the sale closes, different things pop up. So I think what happens is people put back things from their cart toward the end of the sale, and then you can kind of snatch up things that were sold out before. So it's nice to kind of check in periodically. I will also, of course, look forward to doing my Customize With Me video that will be up shortly. So definitely check that video out if you want to see how I actually customize my seasonal box this time. All right, thanks guys for watching another video. I hope you're excited about FabFitFun Spring 2022 just like I am. Comment down below what your favorites from the add-on sale are. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.